Well, good day everybody, and welcome to this unboxing, test, and review video of an ETENWOLF Vortex S6 tire inflator air compressor. ETENWOLF's tire inflator not only pumps sedan and bicycle tires, but also handles heavy-duty pickup truck and truck tires that other pumps can't manage. This tire inflator is faster than DeWalt's 20-volt max, inflating each tire in just 1 minute. Okay, let's take a look at this unit. Got a pretty nice box here. I like the pull strip idea. I haven't seen that before. Easy open. Got a what's in the box section back here. Give you a clear illustration of what you got. You got your compressor, air chuck for your bicycles, high pressure hose, high volume hose, probably for pumping up your inflatables, pool donuts or pool floaties, air mattresses, etc. A user manual, 45-watt charger. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, comes with a nice carry case. All right, ETENWOLF. Tough tools redefined. Yeah, I like the carry case, that's nice. Get your tire adapter, 45-watt charger, USB-C to USB-C goes with the charger. Got a quick guide here. Step to inflate tires, really nicely done guide here. Easy to read, clear color pictures. User manual, all tucked away in this little pocket here in the back. There's the inflator. One thing I really like about this is that it's battery powered. You don't have to worry about running those jumper cords all the way to your battery or somewhere to try and get power. It's got a built-in light. Looks like these are deflate and inflate ports for your high volume hose. So you can actually suck the air out of your air mattress or whatever you need to deflate and get it done in a hurry. Just like so. That's really neat. It's got a pretty decent quality feeling hose on that. Nice little spot to store it. Here's your high pressure hose. Some good length to it. Just what you need to pump up a tire. Some real nice brass fittings here to connect things up. Like the little wrap holder, hose holder. Oh, it got some things on the back as well to attach on the end of this for different types of tubes and tires. Accessory. Alright, we got USB in and out. I don't know why you would need a USB out for, unless you could charge stuff off of this. Yes, this also acts as a power bank, so you could charge this up, and then you have a USB port here for charging your phone. Also, the USB-C acts as an output as well for charging. That's really neat. Work light, charge your phones, pump up your tires, deflate your tires or your air mattresses. Alright, let's bring this inside, get it charged up, and we'll give it a test. The charger and the cord. Very handy. I like the long length on this cord. Sometimes they send these and they're just way too short. All right, let's get it charged. All right, air compressor is charged. Ooh, that's fancy. I like the display on that. 160 PSI. You can pump up semi-truck tires with this. I don't even know if semi-truck tires go that high. That is nuts. I like the adjustment dial. That's handy. So you can preset your PSI and the pump will just shut off when it needs to. It's got a light. Oh, nice bright light too. Yeah, that's nice. And at just the right height for working on your tire or hooking up the pressure line. Oh wow, it's got a high mode. That's nuts. I like how it's a floodlight too. It casts light out pretty evenly around the area. Ooh boy, got a strobe. Grab people's attention alongside the road if you need to. Got an SOS signal. And off. Nighttime tire inflation, no problem. Let's see, what else do we got here? We got mode. Oh, they're like presets, okay. We got an RV setting there. Basketball setting. I think that is just the high volume hose for inflation or deflation, possibly. Bicycle preset, that's awesome. My bike is 20 PSI. That's awesome, it remembers what I set it to. So you can adjust your presets. That is really neat. Let's try the high volume pump. Well, that works pretty good. All right, got a horse trailer up here. That'll be a good candidate for a repressurizing of its tires. Up here in a remote location, it doesn't have a battery, so this thing is perfect. It's got its own built-in battery. Don't have to worry about hooking up the cables. Switch the mode back. Oh, look at that. It gives you a readout of how much PSI is in there as it sits. That's handy. I like that. Let's see here. It says 65 PSI cold. Actually, we could go through the presets. There's 35, 35. Let's go 65. Right there, 65. I'm gonna stop that. The stem's got a leak in it, and I think 65 PSI is a little high for this old tire. I'm a little worried about it popping on me. Let's set this just a little bit lower. Just want to test that it shuts off fine. Let's do 35. Do 35.5. that is pretty dang neat. Really cool how that shuts off on its own. You don't have to sit there and monitor it. Still got a full battery. That's awesome. So you could probably do at least 4 tires on one charge. All right, you guys, link below. Check them out. Got a discount code for you as well. ETENWOLF Vortex S6 tire inflator. Really awesome unit there. Lots of features. Very portable. Very useful. Check them out. Links below. All right, you guys, ETENWOLF tire inflators. Come check them out. They have a few different products for you. Got the Vortex X6, Zephyr 3, air mattress pumps, electric ball pumps. Got tire pressure gauges. Yeah, they got quite a selection over here for your inflation needs. The ETENWOLF Vortex S6 air compressor, off-road tire inflator. Ultra fast inflation, 1.5 CFM at 0 PSI or 42 liters a minute at 0 PSI. Vortex S6 air pump fills a 31-inch tire in just 1 minute, 30 to 35 PSI. Gauges accurately with plus or minus 1 PSI. 160 PSI max, which is insane. Awesome for you semi-truckers out there that might need a backup tire pump. The Vortex S6 can inflate 18 F-150 tires. Holy moly. 100% duty cycle. Highly durable dual cylinder coupled with the dedicated cooling system. You can continuously inflate all 4 tires of F-150 from 0 to 30 PSI without the need for brakes in between. Very awesome unit. I love the work light. That's going to be real handy in the future, even if I'm not pumping up tires. I like the high volume hose. That'll be handy for if I get an air mattress or need to inflate a pool, backyard inflatables, or whatever. Beach ball. You got a 2-year warranty. I like the construction on it. There's no nothing about it feels cheap. I like the whole machine. Check them out. Link and discount code below.